Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to 3D print one of these cool little scissor jacks that was featured on Thingiverse.com. So first things first, you gotta head over to Thingiverse.com and download the model. Link will be in the description below. So we got the model here in our slicer program. I'm going to click Print Settings and then change the layer height to about 0.3. Then you're going to go over to the infill and change the fill density to 15. And then you're ready to export the G-code. Because how my 3D printer works, it automatically sets the temperature for the bed and extruder head, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so this is the result of the 3D printing job. And yes, I've already broken everything loose. And when you twist this clockwise, it raises up just like a scissor jack, which is really cool. But the thing is these were really thin, and of course there was massive overhangs. As you can see, there's quite a bit of stringing, but it's not actually too bad. The thing that's pretty bad is all these little corners broke, and like literally this entire thing broke apart. That's the only one that's holding on right there. So this thing is done. It did not last me opening it back up. But if you were following me on Twitter, then you know that I took the 3D model that they made to make this, and I updated it. And this is what I got from it. And yeah, it works a lot better. All I did was make these parts here a little bit thicker, and I spaced it farther out from these two. The space from that to that is a little bit farther out, and I had almost no problem breaking this free. And yeah, I'm not going to put too much weight on it because I know it's not going to hold up to too much weight at all. So, here we go. I have 3 stepper motors and a PlayStation 2 on top of the scissor jack. And it's surprisingly taking the weight rather well. Let's see if I can't lower it down here. Yeah, it's working pretty good. Okay, so I know you want to see this thing raise up. I'm not going to guarantee this is going to work, but There you go. Yeah, it is definitely raising up. So, my conclusion on this 3D print, it's a neat little thing, but really, I mean, what's the point? I mean, it's not going to hold anything more than like 20 pounds, and it's probably not going to lift up 20 pounds. It'll probably just sit here like this. It's a cool little item, but there's nothing much to do with it. It'd work a little bit better if I were to put like rubber padding at the top, because like this is probably made out of the same plastic that this is, so it just slides right off of it. There's nothing to hold anything on it. I do have to say, makes things look cool.